When you close your eye, what do you see? When I close your eye, I usually think of two different situations. The first thing, when we close eye to sleep, we relax, we take rest, and sometimes have a night dream or bad dream. But we cannot control thinking, right? And the second situation is different. When we close our eye to not to sleep, but to stop thinking too much or stop replaying the past. I practice meditation 10 minutes every day. When I close my eye, I focus on breathing in or breathing out, and I try to let my mind become slowly stop thinking. Sometimes after I focus my on my breath on the old memories or the problem come back in my mind. But meditation helped me look at them again with a clear mind. Sometimes even find the solution this way. Meditation don't only help me for reduce the past, it also help me recognize uh, recognize my thing and make the plan in my mind for the future. So when I close my eye, do not just rest, is open my mind. Thank you.